Hello dear students, welcome to my English class. I am MD Alam Ghazi, Assistant Teacher English, Khonakebe Secondary School, Takob, Khulna. I hope you are fine and safe. I am also well. Today I am going to conduct my English class for the students of class 8. Dear students, now we will enjoy a short video. Watch the video attentively. In this video, we see that some people are coming and some people are going. Here, we see that many people are waiting with their luggage and other necessary things. Here we see an international departure schedule. Here we also see some planes. Dear students, can you guess what is the name of the place? Yes, airport. So our today's topic is at the airport. Dear students, open your book, page number 61, unit 6, lesson 1. Here we have some learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to describe pictures, read and understand text, ask and answer question. Dear learners, look at the picture. What do you see in the picture? Yes, in the picture we see that many people are waiting in a room with their luggage and other necessary things. It seems to be a lounge at the airport. The door and windows are made of glass and aeroplane is taking off in the background. Dear students, now we will learn some vocabularies. What is the word lounge? Do you know the meaning of the word lounge? See the picture. I think you have got idea about lounge. Lounge means a room for waiting at an airport. Immigration. See the picture. Immigration means an area at an airport or a seaport where the passport and other documents are checked. Passport. See the picture. This is the photo of a passport. Passport means a written warrant guaranteeing permission to travel in a foreign country. Visit. See the picture. Visit means to come to or go to a place. Stamp. See the picture. Stamp means to impress with some marks or figures. Board. See the picture. Board means to enter into any carriers. Dear learners, now I will give some synonyms of the words. Word or synonym together, collectively: lounge, sitting room, immigration, migration, visit, travel, outside, exterior, board, ascent, close, intimate. Dear students, read the text attentively. Dear students, now I am giving some question to you. Answer the following questions. First question, why is Mita excited? Yes, Mita is excited because she is going to board a plane for the first time. Second question, why aren't Mita's parents going with her? Yes, Mita's parents aren't going with her because they are very busy with their work. Third question, what does an immigration officer do at the airport? Yes, an immigration officer checks the passport, visa and stamps exit or entry in the passport. Dear learners, now I am giving some multiple choice question. Choose the correct answer to each question from the alternatives given and write the corresponding number of the answers in your scripts. First question, Mita is very excited because A. Her uncle is going with them. B. She is going with her family. C. It is her first journey by plane. D. None of these. What is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is C. It is her first journey by plane. Second question, Zara's parents live in A. Dhaka, B. London, C. Delhi, D. Tokyo. What is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is B. London. Third question, the word close in the text means A. Hostel, B. Foy, C. Enemy, D. Intimate. What is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is D. Intimate. Question number 4. Who will stamp Mita's passport? A. Her uncle, B. Zara, C. The immigration officer, D. Zara's parents. What is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is C. The immigration officer. Question number 5. Mita came to Thailand with her A. Uncle, B. Cousin, C. Aunt, D. All of them. What is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is D. All of them. Dear students, read the following text and fill in the gap with appropriate word to make it a meaningful one. Zara lives with her parents in London. They have come to Bangladesh to dash Zara's aunt and uncle. They have come to Bangladesh to visit Zara's aunt and uncle. So, the answer of A is visit. She is very dash to her cousin Mita. She is very close to her cousin Mita. So, the answer of B is close. They have visited dash interesting places in Bangladesh. They have visited many interesting places in Bangladesh. So, the answer of C is many. Then they decided to go to Thailand. Mita feels very dash because she is going to fly. Mita feels very excited. So the answer of D is excited because she is going to fly by plane for the dash time, for the first time. So the answer of E is first. Dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the class. All the best wishes to you. Thank you. Bye.